Doors closing. For your protection, safety and security, CCTV is monitoring this car. Platform level going up. Going up, doors opening.
So a lot of things are the same. The indicators have been changed, the inside buttons have been changed, the outside ones haven't, and the voice has been changed to the newer voice.
There are currently no trains running between Moonseen and North Shields in both directions until further notice. This is due to damage caused by high winds to the Canopy and Whitley Base Station. Going off east are accepting network tickets in the affected area. Bus service number 1 operates between Moonseen, North Shields and London Newcastle. Arif are also accepting network tickets in the affected area. Bus services 51, 53, 54, 57, 306 and 308 operate between Moonseen.
The labels have been stuck on again. Possibly not those ones at the side, but the main ones, the new panel.
CCTV is monitoring this car.
That's a new panel.
This level for concourse going down. Going down, doors opening.
Door close doesn't work.
Doors closing. For your protection, safety and security, CCTV is monitoring this car. Platform level going up.
And the other lift is not ready yet, the one
Going
in the
up,
bus station.
Doors opening.